In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to simply change your NerdWallet password. If you found yourself in a situation where you need to update your password, either for security reasons or because you've forgotten it, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it step by step. To start, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type in NerdWallet and hit enter. You'll see the link to the official NerdWallet website at the top of the search results. Go ahead and click on that link to visit NerdWallet's homepage. Once you're on the NerdWallet site, take a moment to look around and get familiar with the layout. You'll want to find the login area, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login option, and you'll be directed to the sign-in page. Now, if you've forgotten your password or just want to change it, look for the Forgot Your Password link. It's usually found beneath the fields where you would normally enter your login credentials. Click on this link, and you'll be taken to a new page designed to help you reset your password. Here, you'll need to enter the email address associated with your NerdWallet account. Carefully type in your email. It's important to ensure there are no typos, as this is where your password reset instructions will be sent. Once you're confident the email is correct, you'll see a button labeled Send Reset Email. Click on it, and then navigate to your email's inbox. Keep an eye out for an email from NerdWallet. This email will contain a secure link to reset your password. If you don't see it in your inbox within a few minutes, you might want to check your spam or junk mail folder just in case it was filtered there by mistake. When you open the email, follow the instructions provided. Click on the password reset link, and you'll be guided to a page where you can set a new password. Choose a strong password that you'll remember, but is also hard for others to guess. Consider combining upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols to increase its strength. Once you've set your new password, be sure to save it somewhere safe or use a password manager if that's convenient for you. This will help you easily access your account in the future without the headache of trying to remember it. And that's it! You've successfully changed your NerdWallet password. Now you can log in with confidence, knowing your information is secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.